watched Ava and her summer camp class race their boats that they made. It was super cool.
I thought it was really fun, a really cool experience because we got to see all the project they've been working on for like 2 weeks, and it was really exciting to see the progress they made.
What did you think of the boats?
Really cool. Ava's was so pretty. It was all painted, and they're all like, none of them really sunk, which was really impressive.
They were like personalized, and it seemed like they put a lot of like hard work into making them, and it was really cool to see like the progress they made and how far they actually made it through the course.
I'm Meg.
I'm Mia.
And we're here to watch Ava and the Webb summer camp boat race. It was really impressive to see all the work they put into making the boats and to see that it actually worked. I wasn't sure what was going to happen, but it worked out really well, and Ava did great, and it was really fun to watch.
And Mia, you're Ava's sister. What did you think about Ava at Sea Academy at Webb?
I think she really liked it. She came home every day and would talk about how fun it was there, and she made a lot of friends, and it looks like she really likes the camp.
So Mia, you're also interested in STEM and engineering like Ava. Tell me why you're interested in it.
I think it's really cool to learn more about how things are made, not just the way they look and stuff. So I think it's important to know how things are made.
Mm-hmm. And what did you think about Sea Academy?
It seems like a really fun experience and a good bonding experience to meet new people, because there are people kids from all over were here, and so I know that Ava had a really good time meeting everybody, and they would hang out outside the camp even, so it seems really interesting.
Hi, I'm Ava Verasano, and I'm from Long Island, so Seacliff.
So Ava, you did the Sea program with us. How did you feel?
It was really fun. It was actually a lot more fun than I thought it would be, and I really got to learn a lot and build a lot of boats, and it was just an awesome experience. It was really fun, but also challenging, because not everything goes as planned, but it was a cool experience.
Did you win?
We got second place.
Amazing. So your friends and family were there to celebrate and to really amp you up. How did you feel about that?
That was really great. I mean, I love my friends, and I want them to be a part of everything I do, so that was really awesome to see.
All right, so Mia, what would you say to your big sister after today?
I would say that she did a good job and that her boat came in a good place, and it's a good. I think that the Webb Institute's a really good place to go to for the summer, and you'll learn a lot.